Generate thumbnails like this in seconds with just a prompt using AI. If you're not part of our community yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Be part of our community today to get tech updates, AI updates, and design tips. So this is Thumbs.ai that you can use to generate thumbnails from either a link or an image. So you are going to use the image one. So upload an image of how you want your thumbnail to look like. So I'm going to upload my image. While the image is being uploaded, let's input our prompt. So make sure you input a detailed prompt to get your ideal thumbnail or your ideal design. So you can tweak the settings over there. You can generate using a template. You can also show your face or choose a style. But I don't want to choose any style. I'll just go to the aspect ratio. Because I'm generating for YouTube, I'll select the YouTube aspect ratio. And also you can select the variations that you want. I want to generate 3 variations so that I can have an option to pick from. So I'll just do that and wait for my image to upload. So once the image is uploaded, hit generate. Here our thumbnail is ready with the 3 variations. So I can just pick one and see how it is, and then download the one that I want to use for my video. So let's check this one out and see how it actually looks like. Okay, it looks good. It's ready and even better than the ones that people create. So start creating your thumbnails today with just a prompt in seconds. If you want to create thumbnails like this, head on to Thumbs.ai. Upon sign up, you get 20 free credits, and after your first generation, you get an extra 10 free credits as well. So sign up, try it out, and let me know what you think in the comment section.